Hi, I'm Lee Pat, and this is 100 Ways to Start a Song with Music Theory. Today's idea is to use a diminished seventh chord, which is a perfectly symmetrical chord in which each note can be the root and is a minor third apart from its neighbors. So if you start on C, you get E flat, G flat, and A, and C diminished seventh sounds the same or almost the same as E flat, G flat, and A diminished seventh. In each case, it has the same four notes. And the same is true for D, F, A flat, and B diminished seventh, or C sharp, E, G, and B flat diminished seventh. The diminished seventh chord is a perfect passing chord for your progressions, among other things, because it contains two tritones, which are marvelously tense and are just baying to be resolved. Have fun with this, and I'll see you next time for another idea. Still here. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you like this. And if you want to learn theory the fun way and beat writer's block forever, check out the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.